Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use credit balance on Temu. Users can accumulate credits through various activities such as promotions, referrals, or as a part of their purchase. These credits can be used for future purchase on platform. So to use this credit balance in Temu, you need to first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Now here, tap on U option present on the bottom. After this, here you can see credit balance. Tap on credit balance. Now here you will be able to see credit balance present on your Temu account. Now while making purchase of any kind, your credit balance will be automatically used by Temu. That means you don't have to go through the process of using credit balance yourself while purchasing from Temu. Temu will use the credit balance in the purchases that are compatible according to your credit balance. This is how we can use credit balance in Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.